150 shimmering eye spots carried on tail feathers that are 6 feet long. This, surely, is one of the most glamorous of all sights in nature. So how did such glories evolve? It seems it's all down to the female. The brighter a male's colours and the greater the number of his feathery eye spots, the more attractive she will find him. But colours and plumes like these come at a cost. The immense tail makes flying difficult. The males are literally weighed down by their feathers. Yet the colours they carry are clearly very important to them. So why and how has colour taken on such value?